Right now, on Thanksgiving Day, there are healthcare workers who are right now caring for patients who are fighting for their lives. I'm being told that there will be calls to funeral homes today, and the folks who are on the front lines of this, they are nurses. Right now, there are more patients being admitted to this hospital every day than there are being discharged, which is putting a strain on resources. And yes, it means a concern for beds and for capacity, but it's an even bigger concern for staff. Nurses here, they are exhausted, they're burning out, there's been a higher turnover, and many nurses are now getting sick themselves. There's been a big push here to try and hire more staff, more support. They're looking to get nurses out of retirement and back to the bedside. They're even getting some help internationally. I want to introduce you to one of those folks. He is a South Korean nurse named Daniel Oh. He was deployed here by an international nursing agency. I want you to hear his perspective and experience. Take a listen.
I'm from South Korea, and 6 years ago, 36,000 American soldiers sacrificed for my country from North Korean invasion. And after I saw what happens, I decide this is time that I sacrifice myself for American people's lives. When I came to here, as long as I remember, the hospital has only 2 units of COVID unit. However, in a couple weeks, we remodeled just regular building, regular unit as COVID unit. With being said, the case of COVID patients are skyrocket. We have more and more, and we will have more and more.
And Yasmin, I've been talking to nurses here all day. I've been hearing heartbreaking story after heartbreaking story, but what comes through most of all is the resilience of these healthcare workers, how much they care for these patients, for whom oftentimes they are some of the last people that they see on this earth, and they are there for them during these challenging times. And the one thing, one message I keep hearing over and over again is the thing that we all can do to help these folks is the basics: wear a mask, sanitize, keep social distancing, and stay home if you can. Yasmin?
That man, so incredibly selfless. Dasha Burns, thanks so much. Happy Thanksgiving, my friend, by the way. Good to see you this afternoon. All right, want to bring in now Dr. Kavita Patel. She's a former Obama White House health policy